from her family and friends, but he or she should have the biggest effort in making the outfit. We can ask sa pamilya, sa mga friends.
Mark, rent na lang, Mark. Depende na lang, Mark. Depende na lang, Mark. Kaya ako sa una, na-favor dyan ko.
Hi, plus points na lang.
Thief costume should not possess flammable things and sharp objects to avoid
Ganun ko kay Melmar mo ko ang story.
So that ends with our mechanics.
Ano pa yun?
Pero ang highlight sa mechanics is yung ano talaga, yung effort of making the outfit. Wala siya. Criteria: originality 20%, which includes unique concept and execution. Kaya nga, you can ask help. You can ask help. Second, details and creativity, 20%, which includes innovative and imaginative costume design. Yung mga design ninyo, Third is effort, 40%. Fourth is relevance to the theme, 10%. Overall impact, which includes visual appeal and wow factor, that's 10% in a total of 100%. Any violation, any comment,
Suggestion.
Again, originality 20, details, creativity 20, effort 40, relevance to the theme 10, overall impact, visual appeal, and wow factor 10%. At a total of 100%. Kita ko jud ang effort kailangan mo sa mechanics nga the biggest effort should be
Kasi bako.
Kuyan!
Hi, kasi bako yun. Baka ipakitaan. Ano ka?
Sa kaktis.
Baka mag-ano ba?
Hala!
Ay, yung... Okay lang.
Kain.
Diba?
Kaan!
Hindi, lamon.
Lamon talaga. Lamon! Hindi tayo na magpapbukid sa una.
Mga binata.
Lamon tayo.
Ano mo mo ay mugko.
Dito, David.